Hello everyone. In this part of video on the chapter heat, we are going to learn about laboratory thermometers. In the previous videos, we had come to know about the clinical thermometers, which are used to measure the temperature of human body. Unlike clinical thermometers, laboratory thermometers are used to measure the temperature of objects. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the feature and structure of laboratory thermometers, how to take the reading of temperature with the help of laboratory thermometers, and later on we will also differentiate between the clinical thermometers and laboratory thermometer. So let's start with the features of laboratory thermometer. Like clinical thermometers, laboratory thermometers are also made up of long glass of tube. One end is sealed and other one have bulb. Like in clinical thermometers, in laboratory thermometers there is also a fine capillary tube which is connected to bulb. If we talk about the range of temperature in laboratory thermometer, it is generally from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, so that we can measure the temperature of variety of objects having different temperatures. Inside the bulb, either mercury or alcohol can be used. In this picture you can see the bulb is red in color. It is red in color because of alcohol. Instead of mercury, here alcohol is used. But आप सोच रहे होंगे कि alcohol तो colorless होता है. Then why it is red? क्योंकि alcohol में dye मिलाया जाता है जिसकी वजह से इसको red या blue color मिलता है. So that's why यहाँ पर जो alcohol है that is appearing red. Now the question arises, why we use alcohol rather than mercury. Alcohol thermometers are usually used in the area which is very cold. So with the help of alcohol thermometer we can measure the temperature below than minus 38 degrees Celsius, which is the freezing point of mercury. So with the help of these thermometers we can temperature near about minus 115 degree Celsius. As freezing point of alcohol is quite low than mercury, so we can measure the temperature below minus 38 degree Celsius. One another important feature of laboratory thermometer is that kink is absent. You know what is kink? Kink is the constriction which is present just above the bulb and it disconnects the capillary tube with the bulb, right? So here kink is absent in laboratory thermometers. Kink is absent in laboratory thermometers because we need to when we take the temperature of objects, it can goes up and down continuously. So that's why kink is absent here. But because kink is absent, we cannot use the laboratory thermometers to use the measure the temperature of human body, because as soon as we take out the thermometer from the mouth of the patient, the mercury level will be fall down. So that's why laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of human body. Now let's understand how to take the reading of temperature with the help of laboratory thermometer. For this, first of all, you have to clean the thermometer with the help of clean water, or you can use antiseptic solution. For example, we want to measure the temperature of hot water. So after washing the thermometer, then what we will do? We will put the thermometer inside that water. Then the mercury will start rising up. After some time, when mercury stop rising, then you can read the temperature. But there are many precautions you have to keep in mind while taking the reading of temperature. While measuring the temperature with the thermometer should be held vertical. It should not be tilted. It should be vertical, as you can see in this picture. Vertical मतलब बिल्कुल upright, सीधा होना चाहिए, टेढ़ा आपने नहीं रखना है. Vertical means you have to keep it upright. And second precautions is कि आपका जो thermometer का bulb है, that should be surrounded with the substance from all sides, right? And the thermometer should not touch the bottom of the beaker or the walls of the beaker. ये जो बल्ब है थर्मोमीटर का, वो सब्सटेंस के बीचों बीच होना चाहिए. It should the bulb should not touch the bottom, either bottom or the walls of the beaker, right? लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर को कभी भी उसके बल्ब से टच नहीं करना है. You have to hold it with the other end. And then when you want to take the reading, as soon as the mercury rises up and it stops rising, then you can take the reading. And while taking reading, one important precautions you have to keep in mind, that you have to read the temperature when bulb is still in touch with the substance, or bulb is still present inside the beaker. क्यों ऐसा क्यों है? Because as you know, लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर में किंक मौजूद नहीं है. तो अगर आप थर्मोमीटर को सब्सटेंस या बीकर से बाहर निकाल कर टेम्परेचर उसका रीड करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो वो मर्करी विल बी फॉल डाउन वेरी सून. तो आप एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं रीड कर पाएंगे. सो आपको जब भी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का टेम्परेचर मेजर करना है, तो थर्मोमीटर को उसी में रख कर रीड आउट करना है. And while reading the mercury, it should be along the level of your sight. In this picture, you can see there are four types how the laboratory thermometer is used. You have to find out which one is the correct method. D is not a correct method because here thermometer is tilted. As I told you, while using the laboratory thermometer, you have to keep it upright. So option D is incorrect. Then in option C, you can observe the bulb is not completely surrounded with the substance. It is above this substance. So again, this option is incorrect. Then in B, you can see the bulb is touching the bottom of the beaker. Again, this option is wrong one. Then option A. In option A, you can see that the thermometer is vertical. Bulb is surrounded from all sides with the substance. It is not touching the bottom or the wall. So option A is the correct method of using laboratory thermometer. There is a thermometer which is known as maximum minimum thermometer. These type of thermometers are used to measure the temperature of a day. आप समाचार में कई बार वेदर न्यूज़ सुनते होंगे, उसमें अधिकतम और न्यूनतम तापमान बताया जाता है. That is measured with the help of this maximum minimum thermometer. Now let's differentiate between the clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. दोनों में क्या difference है? Clinical thermometer, as you know, these are used to measure the temperature of human body, and in other case laboratory thermometer are used to measure the temperature of objects. अगर क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर में हम टेम्परेचर की रेंज की बात करें तो इट इज़ क्वाइट नैरो. In a Celsius scale, it is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, it is from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर्स की बात अगर की जाए तो इसमें टेम्परेचर का रेंज काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि इसको वेराइटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स का टेम्परेचर फाइंड आउट करना है. So it is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. In case of clinical thermometer, kink is present. So and in laboratory thermometer, kink is absent. So क्योंकि किंक जो है क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर में प्रेजेंट है, तो किंक का फ़ायदा क्या है? किंक इट प्रिवेंट्स द falling down of mercury into the bulb. तो जब आप टेम्परेचर मेजर करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर, तो आप टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं आफ्टर रिमूविंग इट फ्रॉम द माउथ ऑफ पेशेंट, क्योंकि मरकरी जो है किंक की वजह से वापस बल्ब में नहीं जाएगा. बट इसके कंपेयर में अगर हम लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर की बात करें तो वहाँ पर किंक एब्सेंट है, इसीलिए हमें टेम्परेचर तभी मेजर करना होता है जब आपका लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर स्टिल सब्सटेंस के अंदर मौजूद हो. जब भी क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट गिव द जर्क देना है. क्यों? ताकि जो मरकरी का जो लेवल है दैट शुड कम बिलो द 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट द रॉन्ग वैल्यू. लेबॉर्ट्री थर्मोमीटर में क्योंकि किंक मौजूद नहीं है और इसीलिए यहाँ पर यूज़ करने से पहले उसको जर्क देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, क्योंकि जो मरकरी है इट फॉल्स डाउन ऑटोमेटिकली. Then clinical thermometers, as I told you, you can read out the temperature after removing it from the body, and in laboratory thermometer you have to read the temperature while the thermometer is still in the contact of object. So in this video we had come to know about the different features of laboratory thermometer, how it is different from clinical thermometers. What precautions you have to keep in mind while taking the reading of temperature with the help of laboratory thermometer. Now let's try to answer these questions. What is the range of temperature in laboratory thermometer? Yes, it is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now try to answer other two questions. If it is not clear, then you can watch the video again.